Hey y'all, so I am back with another video, another juicy video, highly recommended. I know I've been MIA. We have been in the month of April. Month of April is almost over. You know, I am an Aries. I have been living it up, but I am back and back, ready to give y'all some tea. Happy 420. Now let's get into this video. So I'm going to show you with my profile. So the first bubble here, you'll see my name, and under my name it shows 90. That 90 means it's 90 people in the room. And if you just slide over, you'll see those 90 people, and if you click on them, you can actually see their profile. But just to let you know, most are bots. So the next bubble shows you how many beans you have collected overall while being on the app. We're going to call it the bean bubble. And then if you click on the bean bubble, it shows you how many beans you have collected on your live, your daily, on a weekly basis overall, and show you all of your contributions, rankings for your fans. So your next bubble is where you find how many stars or boxes you are currently at. And they are based off how many gifts you receive during your broadcast. So Bingo have daily tasks on how many gifts you received, and depending on how many gifts you receive, the more beans you can get or earn back. The next button here with the little flame is the heat list, and if you click on this bubble, it lets you know where you are on the heat list. Clearly we are very far from number one. So when you're just starting your live and you're 3 minutes in, you're going to be really far from the heat list. But let me tell you how to get on top of the heat list. All you have to do is accumulate your gifts, have people share your live, have people comment, and that's how you accumulate to being number one on the heat list. So the box here is Bingo Activity Box. They do this little cute thing where they have themes that match the gifts, you know, if that makes sense. And by using those gifts, you can get rewards, you can get beans back. The next box is fairly the same. It's kind of like another activity box. You can find more activities there. They have the turnabout activity in there. You can win beans or diamonds back in there. They have your star list activity in there, and if you participate in that, you can win beans or diamonds back as well. The next box is your wish list box. You're able to put what gifts you wish to receive in there. I usually just put my favorite gifts that I like to see, you know, on my screen. So next is the little dino. My dino name is Buddha. I named him Buddha. To be able to upgrade your dinos, like the backgrounds and his clothes, you have to feed him donuts. And how to get donuts, you have to share the live, check-ins, follow certain people. So it's different ways to get donuts. So next is the interactive box, and this is how you like get active on the app by matching, lining with your friends, playing games with your fans, all that good stuff. So next, my favorite, PK. So you can PK with friends, or Bingo will select a random person to PK with. The next little bubble over is the bubble to be able to gift your favorite broadcasters. You can give them all different types of gifts that's in here. Mine will look slightly different from yours just because I'm not able to gift myself. So the next button over is the guest request button. This allows you to invite your viewers up to talk to you during your live, or they can request to talk to you themselves during your live. All you will have to do is accept their request. Next button over allows you to screen record or screenshot your live. You can then share it to your bar. This can attract more viewers to your room. A lot of people also like to use this feature to screen record the gifts that they are receiving from their gifters and post that also to their bar. The next box over with the 3 lines, here you probably will find yourself the most. It has from flipping your camera, finding a new mask, feeding your dino, sharing your live, your stickers, connecting your PC. This is where you probably will be the most. Next bubble should be a very familiar bubble. This bubble is how you will comment on your broadcasters live.